Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create stunning graphics with Canva on iPhone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all of your Canva projects. To create a new project, simply tap plus button in the top right corner. From here, you can choose what kind of project you want to create. Canva has templates for everything from Facebook covers to business cards to website headers. Simply choose the template that you want to use and then start customizing it to your liking. You can add text, photos, shapes, and even videos to your design. Once you're happy with your design, simply tap the download button in the top right corner and choose whether you want to download your design as a JPG, PNG, or PDF file. You can also share your design directly to social media or via email. You can totally use Canva on your iPhone and create amazing design. Simply choose the template that you want to use and then start customizing it to your liking. You can add text, photos, shapes, and even videos to your designs. Once you're happy with your design, tap the download button in the top right corner and choose whether you want to download your design as JPEG, PNG, or PDF file. It's easy, all you need is the app which is available for free download on the App Store. Log in using an existing account or create a new one for free, then select Plus in order, tap Create a new project from various templates provided by Canva, including Facebook covers, business cards, and website headers. Canva is a great way to create stunning designs on your iPhone, but beware. The app can be very glitchy, and you may lose your work if you're not careful. Make sure to save your designs frequently and always export them before closing the app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.